Welcome to ABC Kidney, your gateway to mastering kidney physiology in a way that's interactive, animated, and clinically relevant. Understanding kidney physiology is a persistent challenge in medical education. Traditional lecture-based approaches often fail to fully engage learners or support long-term retention. ABC Kidney fills this gap by offering short, animated tutorials, clinical vignettes, and interactive activities designed specifically for today's learners, a generation raised on video games, smartphone apps, and virtual interactivity. This platform uses evidence-based learning strategies such as distributed learning and retrieval practice to build durable understanding and clinical reasoning skills. Early data with first-year medical students revealed ABC Kidney is easy to use and favored the practice questions, interactive features, and quizzes, which solidified complex concepts and may facilitate more efficient study time. Each ABC Kidney module is thoughtfully structured into 4 key components. 1. An animated tutorial. Each topic begins with an engaging animated physiology tutorial. 2. Clinical correlations. Every module includes clinically relevant vignettes that connect basic physiology to real-world patient care. The third component are interactive quizzes. These exercises are designed to encourage active recall, helping commit new concepts to memory. Features include drag-and-drop activities and sliders. Each activity is equipped with real-time feedback. And finally, there are multiple-choice activities. Learners are offered ample practice designed to reinforce core concepts. ABC Kidney isn't just another learning platform. It's a modern, interactive educational experience crafted to boost understanding of kidney physiology, facilitate efficient study time, strengthen clinical reasoning, and meet learners where they are, online and engaged. Come check out how to elevate your understanding of kidney physiology.